Welcome back to the channel. In front of you is a 2018 Ford F-250 Super Duty XLT. Now this has the 6.2 liter V8 gas engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is called medium earth gray. That's what this exterior color is called. You have power windows and locks. Get in here, you have built-in navigation, and you have your Bluetooth for your phone, Sirius XM, so here's all your media. Here's your climate control. You have heated seats and rear heated window. There's a little cubby compartment and then 2 USB ports. You have integrated brake controller. And here's your 4-wheel drive. Now this 2018 has 55,479 miles. But don't let that bother you. This thing runs like a dream. Got your Bluetooth, your cruise control, and your volume settings. Up here, you have these auxiliaries. Exterior lights or anything like that you want to plug in and turn on, have a power switch. Ford already pre-wired them. It's really nice. You have really nice center console. This Ford has remote start. It has a light tailgate. So you got this bed liner. You have these lights, and then you have little hooks in there. And this is a FX4 off-road. Again, this is a 2018 Ford F-250 Super Duty XLT. This is Country Chevrolet in Benton, Kentucky. Thanks for watching and see you next time.